Hey, Tiv.
And read. Oh no, never mind.
Oh yeah. That's a little funnel formation. Funnel formation.
Gotta get through it.
Hard.
This particular complex of supercell thunderstorms has been producing visible funnels. We believe there is some tornado damage right around Itasca on I-35W just north of Hillsboro. We also believe there's been considerable hail damage and possibly wind damage of one sort or another between Waxahachie and Milford on I-35E. A very dangerous storm situation underway
Going right through the updraft.
The way this particular...
Oh, look! Over here! Tornado! Feel a tornado!
That's the
tornado on the ground!
Drift of this particular tornado warning that actually won't...
There's a tornado on the ground!
In northern the warning we have up right now, the tornado along Interstate 45. So we have...
If Tiv could handle it.
Until 5:45, north central hill and northwestern Navarro counties until 5:45.
Alright, we had a tornado. We've had 2 tornadoes so far.
We are streaming coverage live right now in southern Ellis County. Live from the WBAP Weather Center, meteorologist
If one drops.
Thanks, Brad. It's 5:04 on WBAP as we extend our news coverage. The National Weather Service.
Oh! Where? Oh boy.
About a little before 4:30 this afternoon.
There's
is
Tiv.
now out and about on the south side of town where the worst of this storm is located. Alan?
Right there. Chief Meteorologist, CTA. And his version of Tiv. Oh, over here.
Yeah, come on, get in the car, get in the car, get in the car.
I don't wanna.
Got it closer to it.
Oh!
Holy cow, we might want to taste that instead.
Oh!
Anyway. Possible tornado forming.
If you didn't see that, ladies and gentlemen, that was a very good looking young lady.
Fine young woman.
Oh, me. So you see to our right there. That's a wall cloud, according to this man right here. Poke, 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 poke. Squishing your head. Look, I have the car in my hand. Looks like some activity. Oh, funnel time.